There is a place where the future meets the past. A bridge of dragons. Dolph Lundgren. Kerry Tagawa. Rachel Shane. In a time when peace and freedom turned to chaos and destruction, a soldier was chosen to lead his people out of the darkness.
Perfect wedding gift.
What do you think you're doing, soldier?
Torn between loyalty to his general and the woman he loves.
He murdered my father! He killed your king!
Kill him! You can't kill Rujang.
Get out!
But I can.
A bridge of dragons.